Got a 2009 Ultimate Collection baseball. First time with one of these. High-end product. As I cut my finger off. One pack. Feels like I'm not sure. We have some sort of fit card in there. So it's not a rookie auto, which is a good sign. There's lots of good fit cards coming out of this product. 3 base. We have a Jordan Schaefer out of 595 rookie. Kevin Youkilis, 599. Ultimate Collection. Joe Mauer and the hit. Some sort of Lou Brock quad patch autograph 10 of 10. Hall of Fame mojo right there. Legendary Materials Signatures patch. 3 colors on every patch except that one. Stitching on every color. 3 breaks, 3 breaks, 2 breaks, and 3 breaks. Lou Brock, LMSQ-LB. And that should be a good hitter on eBay. There we have it.